Welcome to Sikho.ai. Introducing Digital Twins with NVIDIA Omniverse, building industrial simulations with OpenUSD. Digital twins are becoming central to Industry 4.0 as manufacturers, roboticists, and infrastructure teams simulate physical facilities before touching real hardware. Here's what you'll master in this course. Module 1. Foundations, Digital Twins and the OpenUSD Standard. Module 2. Building and simulating industrial twins. Module 3. Extending and scaling digital twins in production. Every module is packed with interactive lessons, hands-on exercises, and AI-powered guidance that adapts to your learning style. Whether you're just starting out or leveling up your expertise, this course will transform the way you learn. Your journey starts now. Head to Sikho.ai and start learning today.